Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware Image Part Finder plugin. Now the customers can buy parts directly from the image by using the markings at different parts of the image itself. So basically this plugin allows the admin to enable or disable the module. The admin can add new diagram. The admin can edit the existing diagram. Admin can assign categories to the diagram. Admin can enable or disable the status of a particular diagram. The admin can map multiple products to a diagram. Customers can easily see the details of the parts by clicking on the mapping spot number. Customers can add parts directly to their shopping cart for the checkout as well. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end, at the storefront and at the admin's end. At the customer's end, I'll be showing you how to view the main product image at the respective category, and how the customers can view the details of the parts by clicking on the mapping spot number. As you can see right now on your screens, I'm on one of the categories, that's the image part finder, and I've added two part finders. One is the electronic components and one is the spare parts on this particular category itself. Now the customers can see the mapping spot numbers here and can tap on any one of them to view the details of that particular product, and then they can add that particular product directly into the cart to make a checkout thereafter. On the admin's end, I'll be showing you how to add the main product diagram, how to map the products to the different parts of the main product diagram, and much more. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm on one of the categories, that's the image part finder category, and I've added two image part finders. One is the electronic components and one is the spare parts, as you can see. So I've added two main images and I've set up the mapping spot numbers for both of them. And for example, if I'm going to tap on this number 3 here, I'll be able to see the particular product image, the name of the product, the price, and the add to cart shopping button under the actions column to make a direct purchase of that particular part of the main product itself. Same goes with the electronic components here. For example, I'm going to go for this Sony chip that you can see here. So I'll tap on the one. I can see the name of the image, the product name, the price, and the add to cart or add to shopping cart button under the actions column. From here I can open the main product as well by tapping on the particular link of the product here, that's the G8 MOSFET, and that will bring up the particular product, what we say as the details page itself. Now from here I can access any of the product parts or the main product that I'm seeing. If I want to purchase the parts of this particular product, then I can tap on the particular number there. For example, I want to purchase this capacitor that I have on the number 4. I can tap on that. I can view the price and I can tap here on the add to shopping cart to directly add it into the shopping cart, as you can see. And from here the customer can proceed to the checkout page to make a checkout there and place the order for the respective what we say as the part of the main product there itself. So I hope that this helped you out in understanding the view, how the customers can view the main product image at the respective category, as we can see right now, and how the customers can view the details of the parts by clicking on the mapping spot number as we have shown you. For example, I want to check this number 7 here part. I'll just tap on that. That will bring up the image, the product name with the link to the product page itself, the price, and the add to shopping cart button as well. So this was the customers workflow, how the customers can view the main product image at the respective category and how they can view the details of the parts by clicking on the mapping spot number on the respective category on the respective image part finder image that we have added from the admin backend panel configuration settings itself. The same goes with this other image as well. So I've added some products to the different mapping spot numbers there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you how the admin would be able to add the main product diagram, how to map the products to the different parts of the main product diagram as well. For that, I'll take you to the backend panel of the Shopware 6 and I'll be entering the username, password and tapping on the login button thereafter. After the successful login, what we'll have to do is we'll have to go to the settings option. So here we are having the settings. We'll go to the settings option, then we'll go to extensions, and here we'll have this option with the name Webkul diagram. So here we can add the different diagrams that we were seeing on the front end here on the particular categories, like this one, this image, and the spare part image, electronic components, and the spare parts, electronic components, machinery parts as well. We have one more there. So to add a new diagram, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add new diagram button. Give the name of the diagram. So let me go ahead and let me enter the details for the diagram. So I'll set it as test diagram part finder. Then I'll upload the image. So I can tap here on the open media. And if I already have that particular image, like this image, I can tap here and use diagram image. Now I can assign a particular category to the image there. Let's choose any other one. Let's go to the electronic gadgets. So right now there's none of the image part finders assigned to this category. So let's assign electronic gadgets to it. Let's set the status as enabled and let's tap here on the save button. So the diagram has been saved successfully. Now if I refresh the electronics gadget category, here you can see the test diagram part finder with the same name is visible here. Here we have a zoom in and a zoom out button as well for the image. And rest of the listing of the products are also visible here, as you can see. Now how to assign the products to different spots there. Or the different how we can set up the different parts there and assign the products to them. To do so, what we need to do is we need to now test. We have the test diagram part finder. Now I'll tap here and I'll tap here on the mapping option. This will bring up this particular section, as you can see, with the start number, and here we have the particular image, and you can see right now no point numbers have been assigned with any products there. So the start number is 1, so I'll just tap here on this one. So this is 0. I'll double tap on that. This will bring up this particular section. Here I can assign a product to this particular one. So I can assign diode 1. I'll tap here on the confirm. Product mapped successfully. I want to assign to this particular one. So I'll tap here, double click on that. From the drop down I can search for the particular part there. I can select that up. I can tap on the confirm button. Similarly for the rest of the ones as well, we can do the same. So let me tap here, MSP transistor, let me select that, confirm. So for now I'll just add 3 of these, and after adding the 3 you can see the point number 0, 1, 2, the name of the products, their price, their stock, and from here if you want you can delete them as well. Now after doing this up, you have to tap on the back button and the changes would be saved there. Now let's refresh the electronics category once again, electronic gadget category. So here you can see that now what we were saying about the mapping spot numbers are visible there to the customer. So if I tap on the 0, I can see the image, product name, the price, and the add to shopping cart button for the same. I can add more. Let's check if we can add multiple products to a particular mapping spot number there. So we have the 0 number. Let me double click that. Let's tap here. Let me add G8 MOSFET to it as well. Let's confirm it. Let's go back. Let me refresh the particular category here. That's the electronic gadgets. Here we are on the electronics gadgets. Now let me tap on the 0. So here you can see that we can assign multiple products to a particular spot number as well as per the requirement there. Let me tap back. So this was the workflow here, how we can add a particular diagram or how we can add the main product diagram, how to map products to the different parts of the main product diagram as well. Now let me show you the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. For that we'll navigate through extensions and my extensions, and here we'll find the particular Webkul image part finder. I'll tap here and I'll tap on the configuration icon, the option there, and here we can choose the sales channel for the Webkul image part finder. We can set this status, and then we can choose the spot color and the spot background color as well. And from here you can change the spot color and the background color that is visible here, as you can see. The spot color and the spot background color, and you can then tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the Shopware image part finder plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding now how the customers can buy products directly from the image by using the markings and different parts of the image there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uedes.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.